Okay, in this video we'll show you how to post-process the gasket. We've drawn the gasket in part one. We have set the tooling strategies and so on in part two, and now we're going to post-process it, and right at the end I will show you the gasket actually having been made on a CNC machine. Okay, so this is the part that we left part two in. And for this one, what I'm going to do is to set the origin down here, because I want a billet about this sort of size. So I will set the origin down here so I can set my machine to start from this point. So I'll just draw a couple of lines so that it gives me a reference. So horizontal. So I will put the origin here. We go to post-process and we select origin and we just click there, and the origin automatically moves to this new position. Now, to post-process is very simple. We go to post-processors and we just execute the post-processor, like so. At this point I could just click OK and it would just go through, and eventually we will get the G-code. I just want to explain a little bit about this screen. This is how you set up the post-processor. So we have various parameters that we can program here for the start program, the end of the block program, and the end of the file. You can see here all the different parameters. You can put in the different types of arc that your machine is capable of running. Some of the machines are not capable of running some of these, so you may want to program these correctly. Number formats, tool change. At this point you can put in whatever parameters you need for your machine. Coolant, for instance, spindle plus lubricant here, and so on. Here we have the subroutine types, whether they're external, internal, or maybe your machine doesn't allow subroutines. Start of subroutine, this is the standard. The end of subroutine, and subroutine calls, this is what they're defined as. Drilling cycles, regular drilling, deep drilling, peck drilling, reaming, each with their own G code. Lathe cycles, applies to both mill and lathes. Origins, G54. Laser start command, laser stop command, and some miscellaneous parameters which didn't seem to fit anywhere else go here. So in this particular case, my machine is automatically loaded because this is what it has been set up to do. So I just press OK. It asks me for the file name that I wish to output, so I will call it gasket 2. And Easymill automatically calls DNC, and we now have the G code occurring here that has been produced. You can see the tool changes. There are no tool changes that I have put. I've just put comments here just to show you what actually happens. But in an automatic change machine, you would have an M6 command here to change your tooling. So at this point, you can save this to a USB stick, or indeed you can download it to your machine. And that's the end of post-processing. The last picture will be the gasket made in plastic, just to show you how it has been cut. Thank you for your attention.